Last time I made it, damn, it looks totally different though. She looks so cute. Hello.
Okay, why you have us so close? Damn.
Shut up. We out here in the wilderness. It did not look like this the last time I was here. Like, it did not look like this. It's like a lot more.
Can I see? How do I look?
It's a lot more like earthy.
Here you go.
Hey y'all, we finna make an OnlyFans video. Shit crazy. Oh. You wanna run? You are now one of my elite employees. Damn, I'm out of breath. Jesus. Are the benches still here? Oh, they got. I've never seen that.
That's new.
It looks wider. I'm sweating.
What?
It's fucking hot. I'm thinking about going bald. Like ski bald. What do you think?
If only I could slap your head during sex.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
What the fuck? What the fuck? So I'm gonna go bald and you're gonna slap my head?
Yeah, like they're missionary. They're like, oh yeah.
You're fucking insane. I feel real earthy right now.
We came here on our second date.
This is our second date?
Yeah.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
It was?
Mm-hmm.
Oh
Our
shit.
second date was the museum, remember?
That was our first date.
No.
Oh shit. Yes, it was.
Our first date was at Earth, and we just walked around everywhere.
Oh yeah. Okay. So this was our third then?
No, our second.
No, it wasn't. We went to the museum before.
No.
I don't fucking know. I don't know.
Remember we fucking Ubered over here and we walked? No, we took the train over here. Remember? From the museum?
Exactly.
So this is our
So
second.
how does that count?
This is our second date.
Wait, we came over here from the train?
Our second date was a museum, and then after the museum we
Yeah,
came here.
cause you fucking, we took us on the wrong side. She took us on the wrong side, so
It wasn't my fault.
we ended up in like Pasadena, and then
No,
we had to
Monster
walk
Park.
up like the side of some fucking, whatever the fuck that shit was, And then she was like, oh, I think we're going the wrong way. I was like, bruh, what the fuck?
Ow, my titty. Oh, this girl. Oh.
Ugh. Can I hold this?
How come it doesn't focus?
What if I sit in the chair?
Or eat 'em up. Eat 'em up, big dick. Guys, are we really gonna suck this dick right now? Like I want his dick so far down my throat, I want to pass out on it. Look how cute he is.
The water looks very trippy. Or maybe I'm just hot. The water's tripping me out though. Oh, you want me to stand right here?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to hit this?
Does my hair look cute?
Mm-hmm. Shit making my dick hard. The last time I saw it, she didn't have that. But now, I can't even finish it. No. Hell no. That shit is like, I don't want to fuck with that. What the fuck? We getting high as fuck. We getting high as fuck. Joint and a double cup.
Baby, what is this? Is this a worm?
Why are you worried about the worm?
Look at it. It's a jiggly.
Jiggly.
Look.
Jiggly. That's a caterpillar.
Guys, what is this?
That's a caterpillar.
I don't think so.
In the wilderness. Why are you taking a picture like that?
I got a good picture.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, another one. Oh. So pretty.
Hold on, I got a really good picture.
Let me see.
Look at this.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, those.
Oh, okay.
Can you hold my bottle, please?
He wants you to flick him up. Oh, you know. Oh, shit. Damn, hold on. What's you saying?
Like big head?
Look.
What? Is it my head? Is it messed up?
No?
Then what if we do?
But